Okay, we'll start with the MCQs of unit number 3. Already we have solved few MCQs, few are remaining. So we'll go through that part. 1 minute only. Let me see what was the last page number. Unit number 3 MCQs. We solved 5 page number 6. Okay. MCQs of unit 3. I think we solved few MCQs last time. Let me continue with those MCQs, remaining MCQs in fact. So, question set. Unit number 3. I think we started with the beta function, right? We solved the MCQs of, we solved MCQs of error function, and then I think we started with the DUS rule. We solved few MCQs already, solve the remaining one. So example number 11 and page number is 53. So we solve example number 11. Hope this is visible to you. So I of A is given, right? I of A equal to integration from example number 10, 10. I of A equal to log of 1 minus A cos of x dx. Mod of A less than 1 is given. d phi by dA is to be obtained 0 to pi. Okay, so write with me. Alpha equal to 0, beta equal to pi. Constant. Differentiating with respect to A and using DUIS rule 1. So question number 10, d phi by dA. It should be phi of A. Make small change. This should be phi of A. So d phi by dA equal to 0 to pi del by del A of log of 1 minus A cos x dx. Differentiate. So 0 to pi 1 upon 1 minus A cos x into derivative of 1 minus A cos x with respect to A minus cos x dx. This is the answer. Minus cos x divided by, so check the options. Question number 10, minus cos x. Oh, last option, C option, sorry. Minus cos x divided by 1 minus A cos x dx. Okay, last option is correct. I'm audible na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, question number 12. See the question number 12. I of x is given 0 to infinity e raised to minus a square cos of x dA is given. Okay, it is not dx, dA is given, and it is asked to find derivative with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So di by dx 0 to infinity. Del by del x, huh? So A is constant. and then dA. So answer is e raised to minus a square constant. Derivative of cos is minus sign, and then derivative of x with respect to x a dA. Minus a square, whether it is minus a square, yes. Check, this is the answer. Minus of e raised to minus a square sine of ax into a dA. Or you can write like this. This is the answer. Okay. Next question.
So DA.
Yes. C option is correct. I will solve example number 16. Let me change the page. Page number 7 now. Example number 16. Phi of a equal to integration from 0 to infinity log of 1 plus ax square. Square is not there. One more square is there, no? I don't think the square is there. Okay. Okay. Let me write square. Maybe printing mistake. Let me check that afterwards. Okay, no problem. So we want to find d phi by d. So before that, you simplify this, right? So I'm using this formula. Using what is log of, sorry, what is log of alpha square? 2 log of alpha. I'm using that in numerator. So 2 log of 1 plus ax square divided by x square dx. Now differentiate. So d phi by dA equal to divided by x square. So differentiate partially with respect to a. 1 upon x square is constant. 2 in numerator. Derivative of log term is 1 upon 1 plus ax square into derivative of 1 plus a square. Derivative of denominator with respect to ax square. This should be the answer. 0 to infinity 2 divided by 1 plus ax square dx. See whether this answer is there. No answer is there. So this 2 might not be there, or maybe the printing mistake. But you understand the procedure. That is, I think, more important. Understanding procedure at this moment is more important. Please understand that. Example next. Solve example number 18. Select phi of a equal to integration from a to a square of log of ax dx. Okay, sure. Alpha equal to a, beta equal to a square. Functions of a, they are not constant. So differentiating with respect to a and using DUIS rule 2. Yes, use DUIS rule 2. So d phi by dA equal to a to a square del by del a of log of ax dx plus replace x by upper limit, replace x by lower limit. So log of replace x by a square. Already a is there, and then a square into d by dA of a square minus log of a into a, then d by dA of a. Simplify this. A, I think, see whether answer is like this or some simplification is there. Okay, it is simplified. So this del by del A kept as it is, huh? If required, we can differentiate this partially, but here it is not required. Plus, so derivative of a square is 2a. Okay, then this is log a cube. Derivative of a is 1 log of a square. This should be, I think, the required option. Acha. This log of a square is simplified. It is 2 log a. So option number C is correct. C option is correct. Check whether C option is correct or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll solve one more. Tan inverse 19th example. Solve 19th example. Let me change the page. Let example number 19. Phi of a equal to 0 to a square tan inverse of x by a dx. Okay, differentiate on alpha equal to 0, beta equal to a square. Functions of a. X is to be replaced by upper limit. X is to be replaced by lower limit. Derivative of 0 is 0. Last term is 0. No change in the first term. Though we can differentiate in option, it is kept as it is. Derivative of a square is 2a written here. That's it. 2a tan inverse of a. This is the answer. Okay. Next, question number 22. Okay. Right now, alpha equal to t. Functions of t. Differentiating with respect to t and using Dewey's rule 2. x is to be replaced by t square. So e raised to t raised to 5 na? Already t is there and x equal to t square, so t raised to 4. X is to be replaced by t. No change in the first term. This is the answer. Next. C option is correct. Question number 24. So R24, let me change the page. Question number 24. What is given y? So right. So you might have observed that after integration with respect to t, t will be replaced by x. So y is function of x. Replace t by x. Minus t is to be replaced by 0. So both second and third term, they will become 0. So we have to differentiate, and then we have to obtain the answer. F of t is constant. This is the answer. A f of t cos of a x minus t dt. Next. Example number 27. So dy is I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Fast होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ fast नहीं हो रहा है ना?
No, sir.
Strength is 68 only. What about others? Okay. So okay. Let me continue. 27. D phi by D alpha equal to 2 divided by alpha square plus 4. Integrate. So derivative is 2 as it is. I am using this formula. One upon A so decide the value of alpha, and for that we have to use equation number 1. So see the equation number 1, here it is, that is given integral, question number 27. See the given integral. Phi of alpha equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2x sine of alpha x divided by x. So what should be value of alpha so that this integral will become 0 or will be simplified? Alpha equal to 0, sine of 0 equal to 0, and the whole integral will become 0. So substitute alpha equal to 0, and that is decided from equation number 1. Yes? Substitute alpha equal to 0. So phi of 0 equal to
page.
Oh, sorry. Tan inverse of 0 plus A. Tan inverse of 0 is 0. Okay, so A equal to phi of 0. But now we want to find phi of 0, and then ultimately we want to substitute all these values in this equation. Mention the equation number 1. Phi of alpha equal to tan inverse of alpha by 2 plus A. So till A is not known, we'll find that in next step. Right? Change the page. So see what the given integral is. Right, given integral e raised to minus 2x.
Page.
हो ना, जरा एग्जांपल ले लो ना. That is equal to A. So A is 0. This is the answer. But I think in option, see whether this option was required or previous few steps were required. Check that. Question number 27. Yes, final answer was required, and tan inverse alpha by 2 is the answer. D option. Hope you might have understood it. We'll solve one more example of this type. Start with the differential equation. We'll solve 29. start with the differential equation. Separate the variables. We have to decide the value of small a, and for that we have to use the given integral. Yes, go through the integral. Let me check the integral. 29, example number 29. So what should be the value of small a so that this integral will become 0? A equal to 0. Log of 1 plus 0 is log 1. Log of 1 is 0. Okay, hope you might have understood. So we have to take a equal to 0. Now write the integral. Let me write it. Zero. A is minus pi. This is the answer. Pi root of a plus 1 minus pi. Yes, that is there. C option. Next, we'll solve few examples of beta function. Let me change the page. Hope you remember all the formulas of beta function. Where are they? I think at the starting there are the beta function formulas. Beta, I think this is visible. Beta mn equal to integration from 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx. Beta mn is a commutative function. Beta mn is always equal to beta nm. Then integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to p theta cos raised to q theta d theta equal to half beta of p plus 1 by 2 comma q plus 1 by 2. Okay, another form of beta function is beta mn equal to integration from 0 to infinity x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to m plus n dx. Beta mn equal to gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. Duplication formula is gamma n plus half equal to root pi divided by 2 raised to 2m minus 1 into gamma of 2m. Okay. Now we'll solve few examples of the beta function. Yes, here are they. Let me check how many are there. 32 are there. We'll solve around. Huh?
Duplication formula.
Duplication formula.
हो सर.
काय करायचं?
सांगा ना.
ते दाखव म्हणजे लगेच सापडत नाही रे. लिहितो थांब.
नाही मगाशी जे तुम्ही केलेलं होतं ते दाखवलं होतं ते.
लिहितो की.
The root gamma m multiplied by
gamma m plus half equal to root pi divided by 2 raised to 2m minus 1 gamma of 2m.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, examples on the gamma beta function. First, reduction if I n equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to nx dx. What is the reduction formula for this? That is equal to n minus 1 divided by n I n minus 2. A option is correct. Same is true for the cos also. So question number 1 and 2 are same. And their answer is same. A option. I n equal to n minus 1 divided by n I n minus 2. Question number 3. Huh?
Option
question
B.
Sorry, B option. In second B option. In first A option. Correct. Okay. Question number 3. 0 to integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to nx dx when n is even integer. Yes, what is it? N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 and so on until we get pi by 2. So D option is correct. Check the D option. D. Question number 3, D option. What about question number 4? Which option is correct? Same formula. Now n is odd integer. So whenever odd integer, the last term is not pi by 2. Last term is 1. So option C is correct. N minus 1, n minus 2 till we get 1. Okay. Next, question number 5. I think question number 5 and 6 are same as question number previous 2 questions. Question number 7. The value of integral IMN or integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to m theta cos raised to n theta d theta is, yes, what is the value of this term? That is formula number 4 that already we have written in the reduction formulas. So these are examples of reduction formulas. We decided to solve beta examples. Sorry, I forget that. Let me start from here. Beta mn equal to integration from 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx. A option. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2, D option. 1 upon 2 beta of p plus 1 by 2 comma q plus 1 by 2. Okay. Next. Question number 3. X raised to m minus 1 divided by x plus 1 raised to m plus n dx. This is the formula of beta function. So beta mn is the answer. Beta nm is also answer. If we interchange m and n, there is no any problem. Then question number 4, A option is correct. Beta mn equal to gamma m gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. Then question number 5, duplication formula. Which option is correct? C option.
Last option.
Gamma, last option, sorry, correct.
Option, sorry.
No, last wrong. C is correct. Gamma m plus half equal to root pi divided by 2 raised to 2m minus 1 gamma 2n. Okay, question number 6. How we can represent beta of 4, 5? Which one is correct? B is correct. Integration from 0 to 1 x raised to 3. Right? 1 minus x raised to 4. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Then question number 7. X raised to half. 1 minus x raised to 5 by 2. So n minus 1 is half. So n equal to 3 by 2. And m equal to 7 by 2. So 3 by 2, 7 by 2. I think correct option is not there.
Yes,
Beta
sir.
3 by 2 comma 7 by 2 is the answer. You can write in front of it or you can write it inside. Beta 3 by 2 comma 7 by 2 is the required answer. Question number 8. Sin raised to 3 by 2 theta cos raised to 4 theta. Okay, that is half. Is it required to solve it on the screen or you will understand it orally?
No, sir.
No means what?
Will understand.
Sir,
no need.
Okay, okay. So 3 by 2. So beta of half beta of p plus 1 by 2. P is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is 5 by 2. So 5 by 4. Okay. And q plus 1 by 2. So 5 by 2. So A option is correct. 1/2 beta 5 by 4 comma 5 by 2. Question number 8. A option is correct. Question number 9. Let me solve it. That also we can solve orally. Beta 3 5. Check your answer. Check this. 1/105. Question number 10, 11, please do it yourself. It's not a difficult part.
11 चा pi upon sin p pi.
Pi divided by sin p pi. Absolutely correct. Question number 12, what is correct substitution? X cube equal to 8t. Question number 12, D option is correct. X cube equal to 8t is the substitution.
Yes, sir.
Understand that. Question number 14, the appropriate substitution. Yes, what is substitution here? T equal to x minus a divided by b minus a. So B option is correct. T equal to x minus a divided by b minus a. Hope you remember it.
Minus a. Yes, sir. हो.
ते लक्षातच ठेवायचं आहे. Okay. Question number 15, the appropriate substitution. So use the same formula. T equal to x minus a. So x minus 5 divided by b minus a. So 4. T equal to, which option is correct? Next.
Minus 2.
Correct. Question number 16 we will solve. Question number option is not there. 15 ना?
but x minus 5.
This is substitution. X equal to 4t plus 5. Next question. So we'll solve question number 17. Limits no change in the limit. So beta 2 times beta of 7 plus 1. Add 1 to the power of t and 1 minus t. 7 plus 1, 5 plus 1. Okay, next question number 20. Solve question number 20. Let me change the page. Just 1 minute. Solve the question number 20. Yes, what is the answer? Question number 20.
Sir, first A.
X equal to 4t. 2 minutes only. Let me solve it. So one value is known to us. Limits limits converted into 0 to 1. X
Sir,
minus okay,
2 comma 3 by 2.
absolutely. So integral will become 0 to 1. X minus 3 is 4t. 7 minus 6 is 4. What is the answer?
16 3/2, 3/2.
Okay. So option number C.
Yes.
Okay. Solve question number 24. Solve 24. Solve 24. Zero to pi by 2. So it is like this. Use this formula. This is the answer.
Sir, gamma 0 क्या है?
Yes.
Gamma 0.
0.
Gamma 0 infinity है क्या?
Gamma 0 infinity. Okay. Then solve question number 28, 29, and 30. Fast. Try to solve them. Till that time, I'll take the attendance. Division A, roll number 1. Absent. A. One absent. 2. Absent. 3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6.
Present, sir.
7.
Present, sir.
8. 8. Absent. 9. Absent.
Present, sir.
9 present. 10.
Present, sir.
Solve question number 28, 29, 30. 11.
Present, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13.
Yes, sir.
14. Absent. 15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17.
Present, sir.
18. 19.
Present, sir.
20. 21.
Present, sir.
22.
Present, sir.
23.
Present, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27, 27, absent. 28.
Present, sir.
Solve these three examples, huh? So 27 absent, right now? 28 present. 29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32. A division, huh? 33,
Present, sir.
33, 34,
Present, sir.
35,
Present, sir.
36, absent. 37, absent. 38,
Present, sir.
39, 40, 41, 42,
Present, sir.
45, absent. 46,
Present, sir.
47, 48,
Present, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52, 53,
Present, sir.
50, 54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56,
Present, sir.
57,
56 last.
last number. So absent numbers are 1, 2, 8, 14, 18, 27, 32, 36, 37, 45, 47, 52.
Sir, 45 present तो माइक से इश्यू होता है थोड़ा.
ठीक है,
Sir,
no
14
problem.
present.
14 present. Okay. Who else?
45
You
present.
can. हाँ ठीक है.
Sir, roll
B
number
division.
2 present, sir.
Roll number 2 present. Okay. Who else? B. Huh?
42.
42.
32.
42 ना?
Sir, 32. 32.
32. Okay. Okay. B division. Roll number 1. B1. अरे कल पेरेंट्स मीटिंग में सबको लाना है, आपके पेरेंट्स को लाना है, ठीक है. फिर असाइनमेंट सबमिट कर दीजिए आप मंडे तक. असाइनमेंट नंबर ट्यूटोरियल असाइनमेंट 1 एंड ट्यूटोरियल असाइनमेंट 2. ओके. बी डिवीजन. ए डिवीजन यू कैन लीव. बी डिवीजन 1.
सर का नेटवर्क इश्यू है.
1 लगे.
Present है सर.
2. ठीक है. 2.
Present, sir.
एब्सेंट.
B2 present, sir.
3 प्रेजेंट.
Present, sir.
3
B2
present.
present.
4.
Present, sir.
हाँ. 1, 2, 3 present. 4.
Present, sir.
5. 6.
Present, sir.
7. 8. Eight. Absent. 9.
प्रेजेंट सर. 9 प्रेजेंट सर. 8 पण
Absent.
प्रेजेंट आहे. चॅट
Nine.
बॉक्स में टाकले.
8. ठीक है. 10.
Sir, 7 present.
7
Present, sir.
Okay.
10 प्रेजेंट.
10 present. 11.
Yes, sir.
12.
प्रेझेंट सर.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
प्रेजेंट सर.
15. Absent. 16. Absent. 17.
Present, sir.
18.